Hey guys, happy Saturday! So today we are going to make a video all about ordering fast food and what to order. We are going to include the nutrition facts, the calories, and the protein, and give you guys a fair taste test on that too.
And we're doing this because I know that most of you guys, you're pretty good on plan on the weekdays, and then sometimes on the weekends you're not sure what's going on, you're out and about, and sometimes you go to fast food. So we're making a fast food series where we'll pick a fast food place once a week, and we'll pick like about two different items so that you can copy us and you can still hit your protein, make sure you're not go over your calories, and be the most part healthy.
Right. We know life is pretty unpredictable, and for being realistic here, sometimes we have to stop and grab something to eat.
Yep. And
so we are going to make a realistic lifestyle video for you guys.
Yes, and today we are going to Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A!
All right, let's go.
Let's go. Another tip, you guys, park far so that way you get your steps in. Especially if you're gonna go get fast food, you might as well walk your way over there, because if you really want it, you'll walk for it, right?
That's right, unless you're in the drive-thru, then. Yeah.
Right, unless you're in the drive-thru.
Yeah, show them how far we are.
Look, we're so far, you guys. Chick-fil-A is all the way, where is it? All the way that way! That way. I was like not coordinated right there. But yeah, you don't have to make everything so convenient for yourself all the time. Make yourself walk, make yourself put in more effort.
A fun fact, I've actually never been inside, so I'm kind of curious how it is inside.
I think I've been in one.
Yeah, I've never been in here. Oh, look, it's so festive. And it is packed.
Very festive.
Oh yeah, it's
Ooh,
packed.
look at this.
So far, I'm really impressed with Chick-fil-A. I like the inside, it's very nice. They even have little wipes for your hands. It's pretty cool. Now, one thing I want to talk about is if you have sauce with your nuggets, you have to count the calories for the sauce. I get barbecue, it's like 45 calories each. The wife likes the buffalo, that's 25 each. So you gotta make sure you count the sauce, okay? So here it is. So what we got here is, we got 2 orders of grilled nuggets. This is very low calorie. And then we got 2 orders of the chicken cool wrap. So the chicken cool wrap is 350 calories with 42 grams of protein, which is really good. And grilled nuggets here is 130 calories with 25 grams of protein. So all together here, right, for these 2 things, we're looking at 580 calories for 67 grams of protein.
Wow.
So 550 calories for 67 grams of protein. And now we're gonna do the taste test.
Okay, I'm gonna first try the grilled nuggets without sauce first, just to try the chicken.
It looks juicy.
It's seasoned really good. It's juicy.
Nice.
Now with the sauce. Chick-fil-A does not disappoint.
All right, out of 10, what do you rate the nuggets?
I'm an 8.5.
All right, 8.5, pretty good. All right, let's try the chicken wrap.
Chicken wrap. On its own, maybe like a 7 out of 10. There's a lot of lettuce in here. So I'm really tasting a lot of lettuce. Let me try with the sauce. This is what I'm talking about. 9 out of 10.
What? No, dang, that's high. All right, let me try. All right, my turn. So I don't have a lot of expectations. I'm pretty low standard. So let's try the chicken first. This is how it looks like. That looks pretty good, right?
Yeah,
that's pretty good. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Oh, this is a good grilled chicken.
I'm telling you.
Oh yeah. I don't even need the sauce.
Yeah, he doesn't need it.
Okay, by itself, just the chicken. I make my own chicken breast, and this is way better. So I already give this like a 9 out of 10. This is pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
So with the sauce, I'm thinking it's gonna for sure be like 9.5 or 10 out of 10. Okay, now we're gonna have with the sauce.
Sauce.
Yeah, let's see how the sauce tastes.
Let's get saucy.
Okay.
Ooh, that's a good bite.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, it's a really good bite.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow.
But the sauce is good. I don't need anything else. I can honestly just order this. I don't even think I need to order the wrap. Okay, let's try the wrap. Is the wrap? Look, that's pretty good. Yeah. And let's see. I've never had this before, so let's see how it tastes. So without the sauce.
Dry, huh?
I still finished pretty good
Yeah.
without the sauce.
Yeah.
I also don't think I need sauce. Okay, without the sauce, like 8.5, 8.
Wow, that's pretty high.
Pretty high. I'm probably just gonna use a little bit of sauce because I'm gonna try to use like one of these for everything. So it's only 45 calories for the whole thing. Yeah, I'm not using a lot. See that? I barely used some. There's a bunch left. Never mind. I need to use the sauce. Now that I had the sauce one, I cannot go back. Sauce is like 9 out of 10 now. Okay, that's Chick-fil-A, guys. So we got the cool chicken wraps. We got 8-count grilled nuggets. Make sure it's grilled, very important. And in total, this is 500 and I believe 70 or 80 calories. And it has 67 grams of protein, which is a winner. All right, so here's our first series. Chick-fil-A, definitely a winner to go to.
Yay!
All right, so I had a feeling this would happen. So some of the bites, there's like not enough chicken as you get to the end, right? There's like no more chicken. So that's why I got the grilled nuggets. So I can like literally see that I can just add to the wrap. So there's like extra chicken. Yeah, okay.
Oh my
Because
gosh.
like in the beginning, right, there's a lot of chicken. But like when you get to like the end of it, right, there's like not as much chicken. So I'll add the chicken, the grilled nuggets I have to like the end of it. So I get like chicken with every bite. Little fun fact. Also, I don't think I'm gonna use the whole thing anyway, so that's good.